Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor on your OPPO A6x 4G isn't responding to your fingertip. In such case, we're gonna have to set up a new fingerprint model for our device, and let's try to do it the best we can this time. First, open Settings on your device, then go to Fingerprint and Face Unlock menu, which is, by the way, located in Security and Privacy menu. Here in Security and Privacy, we're gonna have to go to Device Unlock, then select Fingerprint and Face Unlock, then select your fingerprint, and before you add a new one, enter the password and remove the previously added fingerprints by tapping the three-dot icon next to your fingerprint and select Delete to confirm. After that, you're gonna have to wipe the surface of your fingerprint scanner, which is located right here on your power button, using either a dry towel or a microfiber cloth if you have one around, preferable the second option. Make sure that there are no stains on it and it reads your fingerprints correctly. And when you're ready, tap Add Fingerprint. Now we're gonna have to place the middle part of your fingerprint on the fingerprint scanner and then slowly move it around, firmly pressing the scanner without actually pressing the power button, and use as much of your fingertip surface as you possibly can until the fingerprint image is filled with blue color, and tap Done. And now let's tap Cancel to not enroll phase for now. And let's go back to Settings, and let's make sure that the software on this device is updated to the latest version. Go to System and Update, Software Update. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Let it check for available updates, and if it finds an update, then download the latest software version, as it might include some software fixes. And after that, you're gonna have to restart your smartphone. Now, if you have downloaded and installed the software update, your smartphone will restart automatically. Otherwise, do it by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time. Then swipe the circle up to restart and wait until your phone is restarted. Now, if you have removed the Google Assistant from the power button, then you just have to hold down the power button to open the power menu instead of power button and volume up key. Okay, so right now let's wait until the phone is fully restarted. After the restart, let's enter the password one time, then let your device load for a while. Usually it takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Then let's try to test our fingerprint scanner. Okay, so it unlocked the device first time, the second time, and the third time. And as you can see, everything works just fine. And I hope that it does for you too. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.